Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is up, guys? My name is Hassan, and welcome back, everyone. As you guys know, I have two portfolios. One of them is this M1 Finance portfolio, which you guys can see right here. Currently, it is at $13,000 or $13,300. Excuse my voice, I have a sore throat right now. So hopefully, I did do a COVID test, so it's not COVID. Thank God. My first portfolio is this M1 Finance portfolio, which I'm going to give you guys a quick update on. And I'm also going to take you guys to my Robinhood portfolio. This is my second portfolio, which is currently at around $39,000. This number changes, it fluctuates. In my previous video, I made a full run through about this portfolio, the companies I'm holding, the money that it's generating. So I do want to point out that I did receive a Robinhood reward. So there's a link in my description below for if you guys are thinking about opening a Robinhood portfolio, or if you're thinking about opening M1 Finance, there's a link below. Let's take a look on the gift or the reward I got. We're going to click on claim my stock here, $5.89 on us. Oh, I see. Oh, they changed it a little bit. All right, so now let's claim the stock. Oh, so they pretty much gave us $5.89. We get to choose our fractional share, which is interesting. I never seen this before. So usually I'm used to getting just the share, but this is nice. I do like Microsoft. Tesla's nice, Nvidia's nice, Visa. I'm just gonna go with Microsoft and I'll claim my reward. Confirm. I got a $5.89 worth of Microsoft. This is actually a lot better than before. Thank you, Shuan, for using my link. This is a lot better than what we previously experienced, where they used to give us a random weird cheap stock, which I would just get and sell it right away because it wasn't part of my investing plan. So again, now my portfolio currently it is at $39,000. We're going to take you back to my M1 Finance portfolio. Currently it's at $13,000. This amount of money that you see, that I did not make this in one day. If we go through my all-time over the years, that you can see it, nice, slow, steady increase, 4,000, 5,000, 7,000, 8,000, 10,000, and 12, 13, 14, even at some point I reached 15, and now we're back at 13,300. So I do want to point out that I did not get this money all in one day. It took huge amount of dedication, time, effort, perseverance, and I was able to get there. One of the main reasons why I make these videos is to motivate you guys, so you guys do the same, that you guys continue to generate your wealth, to give back to your community, to give back to your society, give back to the ummah. Investing creates awareness about the hundreds and thousands of companies, private and public, that are out there. So hopefully I'm able to motivate you guys to continue to invest. So now we'll take a look at one day. So currently one day I'm down around 1.2% or $173. And then if we look at it for 1 week, I'm down $42. And then you can see that in the last 1 week, I earned $8.92 in dividend payment that was paid directly into my account. And then if we take a look at 1 month, in the last 1 month, I got $46 in cash dividend payment, which is very motivating because it forces me to watch my budget so I can continue to invest even more. So now we're going to go to 1 quarter. We can see in the last 1 quarter, I'm down around 3.4%. And in the last 1 year, I'm down around 6.86%, or I'm down $1,300 of market, but I got dividend payments of $406. So I'm at net loss of $963 in the last 12 months, which is fine because I'm in the long run and we know that the market is taking a beating, but this is a good time to continue to invest. What real investing looks like, because I'm not showing you guys when my portfolio is up, but I'm also showing you guys when my portfolio is down like this. But even though it's down, I still got $406 in cash dividend payment. As always, before I begin, I have to give you guys a quick disclaimer. Make sure you guys check out the disclaimer in the description below, and which you guys can see here, that I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I responsible for your financial gains or losses in the stock market, nor am I here to certify if a company is halal or haram. I see a lot of Muslim investors, they invest into anything on everything pretty much, or they just say, oh, I avoid alcohol and some gambling, and besides that they invest into all these companies without even doing their due diligence. Hopefully, I'm able to motivate you guys to have a better understanding of the companies and have a deeper look into the companies, and that we pray that all of our investing is halal as much as possible. Halal means in Arabic permissible. So now I want to take you guys back to my portfolio, and then we look at it for all time. I'm up around 45%. Our total gains of $3,200 or $3,300. Out of that, almost 1,100 of them, $1,100 is just in pure dividend payment. Now I want to take you guys to the CNN Fear and Greed Index. It gives us the overall mood of the market on a day-to-day basis or in short term. Like here, yesterday, a previous close, it was at extreme fear. Today, or the last close of business, it's at fear. So the last few months and weeks, the stock market, or at least the index, has been in extreme fear, and this just shows that the market is very emotional, and people, when they're fearful, they are doing a lot of selling. And I would say this is a very good time to buy. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is a very good time, but it's just interesting to me because I see a lot of these YouTubers showing this fear and greed index. I just find it interesting, or I just find this fun to look at. Does this dictate my buys and sells? Absolutely not. I'm continuing to add money into the market because I'm looking to invest years out into the future. Hopefully soon I'll have enough money for a down payment on the house. So again, let's take you guys back. This $13,000. Hopefully I'm able to use it for a down payment for one of my house, combined with this and Robinhood Portfolio. We clicked on 1 year chart, and we can see earned dividend for the 1 year is $406. And this is money I did not have to work for. And we can see I got 126 from energy, 77 from consumer cyclicals, technology $63, healthcare $53, industrials $47, and basic materials $38. So this is very motivating to me. At least I just earned $406 for the last 12 months, and I didn't even have to lift a finger or physical labor. It was just money given to them as a investor, as a shareholder. As always, guys, if you guys made it this far, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Remember, we're on this together. We are all on the same team. So now I'm going to take you guys back to my dividends. So I just showed you in the last 1 month, 1 year, I earned $406. So I want to show you for the last few months what companies have paid me. So I went to activities. We're going to go to activity type, click on dividends only, and I'm going to show you guys for the last 2 months. I think they have it. Let's do date range. Let's do April 1st. So I did sort it out from April and May, the last 2 months, and we're going to go straight down. We can see in April 7th, Merck paid me $3.35, and then Sabina Stillwater paid me, and then I got Pembina $4, and then I got PKG Packaging $3, and Gentex $1.26, and then Rio paid me $9.69, and then another Rio payment of $1.44. And then we got Cisco $3, WD-40 gave me 25 cents, and then MMP, which gave me a nice chunk of $16. Pembina again paid me $4.64. So this deduction that you guys see right here, this is just as a Canadian company. This is their withholding tax. So the best part is that even though I paid this 70 cents, I get this money back from the United States government when I do my taxes. A.O. Smith, 66 cents. Texans Instrument, $2.55, and then we got PetMed Express, $4.20, and then we got National Instrument. So all this money adds up, even though it might be $1, $2, $3, $5, $10, $15, but over the month it starts adding up, and by the end of the month I have a good chunk of change that I can buy some lunch or something, or dinner for myself only, I guess, because that's not enough, or at least one day it will be. I do want to show you guys my M1 Finance monthly dividend income. Even though it's not up to date, I just want to point out that this is increasing. My dividend payments are increasing month after month. We got 14, 12, 18, 20, 20, 26, 20, 25, 33, and then we have like maybe almost $40. What I want to point out is that you can see a trend line that is increasing overall for the most part month after month, and increasing my dividend payment. Hopefully you guys are able to make one of these charts. Hopefully you guys made it this far. You guys hit the like button, you hit the subscribe button, and hopefully I was able to motivate you guys to continue to invest in the long run to reach a financial freedom. I want to show you guys a couple of my holdings. Let's go to my portfolio. Technology, consumer cyclical, energy. Let's show you guys my technology sector. we can see that I'm up around 83% for overall. And some of the holdings that I have, Nvidia, a value worth of $1,400, Broadcom, Cisco, Texas Instrument, Microsoft, Garmin, Skyworks Solution, and National Instrument. And if you look at my gains are in a humble way, alhamdulillah, it is up. You can see 165%, 200%, 38%, 68%, 85%, 49%, 26, 37. So if you guys invest long enough, eventually you will start making massive gains as long as you guys have solid companies. And if you look closely, almost majority of these companies, they pay a dividend and they have very little to no debt. And that's one of the key things I like to focus on. So before we end it, I'm going to show you guys one more slice and then we'll take some questions. So we're going to go back to the portfolio. Now we're going to show you my second largest holding, which is consumer cyclicals. So in my consumer cyclical, again, I'm up overall for all time chart. We're up around 86% for me, it's a massive gain of $1,300. And some of the companies that I'm holding on to here is PKG, GPC, Tapestry, Expedia, Contour Brand, Gentex, VF Corporation, Escalade, and Marine Products. Again, similar story here. We can see 90% increase, 130%, 189, 158, 77, 43, 80, 125%, 17%. You can see that my gains are a lot and my losses are 9% or low. And that's the goal here. You want to keep your gains high. You want to keep your losses low. You don't have to get every single company correct. As long as your winners can go 2, 3, 4, 500% gain, you're all good. Because even though, say you lose 2, 3 companies that loses 100%, but you still have another 2, 3 companies that you made 4, 5, 600% over your investing career. And that's a solid advice that I want to give everybody, is that you want to keep your winners running and your losers, or you want to cut your losers short. So now let's take some questions. So the question here is, I think this is by James. He's saying that, is it dumb for me to put $500,000 in SCHD and let it drip for the next 25 years? And first of all, congrats for you to make $500,000 in savings or net worth, because this is truly a lot of money, or at least for most people. The best part about SCHD is that it's already a ETF, it's already a diversified, and you, with your 25 years of time horizon, I think you are going to do really well and that you're in good hands. SCHD is a solid company. It's actually one of the top ETFs out there that will do well for years to come. Remember, I don't know the future. As a Muslim investor, we don't invest into ETFs, but it's your choice. You can invest into it. It's a solid for this individual person. I think that you're in good hands, and I would just split it amongst few ETFs, about maybe 3, 4 ETFs in that way, or maybe 5 ETFs, putting $100,000 in each ETF, because even though it's already diversified, to all of your eggs in one basket is risky, even though it's already diversified. Outside that, it's going to generate you growth and good amount of incomes to come over the years to come. You're in good hands. I think that SCHD is a solid company, already diversified. As always, just diversify into few ETFs. As always, thank you. See you guys next time. Bye, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.